Right, let's go.
Perfect colour me. Extreme ways that help me out late at night. Extreme places I had gone, but never see any light. Dirty basements, dirty noise, dirty places coming through. Extreme worlds alone. Did you ever like it then? I would stand in line for this.
Oh, no. Finish.